65 Gamer Guy here, and this is my latest project. As some of you may know, I own a 1968 Mercury Cougar XR7 that I bought in 1984, and we're getting ready to start on this new project, a 1970 Mercury Cougar. Now this Cougar has the original engine in it, but the engine is in terrible shape. It is a 351 Cleveland 2-barrel, and we're going to put a 351 Cleveland 4-barrel in it. So if you like old cars and like to see progress about this, stay tuned. If not, you don't have to watch it. Thanks for watching.